Hello everyone, today's video is an unboxing from eBay. So a couple of pieces in there, so let's get into it and see what we have, shall we? So I already opened it, make it a little easier for us. So we got lots of paper. That's what I always wanted. Okay, look at this. Wow. Remember the old funnies? Paper from back home. Not making much anymore. Another one. And focusing on the killer. Okay, here's one item. Let's see. So first item that I just dropped on my foot. We have these. See what's in the box. So COAs. You can pause it to read it if you like. Alright. Next one. We have this one. And let's see what's in here. So we got the 1983 and the 1984 Olympic coins proofs. So this was a good deal, so I got it. Had to get these. Still need the uncirculated coins. I'll get them eventually. Someday. Got a long way to go. Love the eagles on these two coins. Alright, let's stick with 84. Really beautiful coins. Alright. So let's see what else we got in the box. There are more items. Let's see, let's see that big one for last. Alright, so I have 3 boxes. Let's see what's in the boxes. Take them off. Get CLAs. When it came to these small boxes, no bigger outside boxes. So we have 95 and 96 commemorative coins from the Olympics. Let's review what we got. So we have a 1995 cycling coin, uncirculated. This is a pretty expensive, rare one. That's 95. And we have this one, which is the tennis, which is another rare one. In really nice condition. With no spotting or anything on them. And we got the wheelchair one. Another rare one. So that makes all 4 of the uncirculated Olympic coins for 1996. So that's first for me. Never had them all. So, all right. I'm gonna put these in my albums also. Probably except for the 83s, because I don't think I can open these at all. Probably not. Yeah, we'll just stay sealed. Alright, next one. Put these away. And one more item. Something I've been waiting for a long time to get. And here we have it. Already out. This is a 1995 and 1996 8-coin proof set. There are all the dollars, 95 and 96. It's another first for me. It was actually an expensive item. I can't open it, it'd be nice. And this came with no COA, so I guess it's fine. And here we go. Let's see the. These come out pretty easy. So first one, the blind runner. Nice cameo. Next one we have the cycling. Just seen the uncirculated one. The next one is the gymnast. I need this uncirculated one for this one, and also for the blind runner, and I need an uncirculated for the track and field also, which is this one. They have it's all 16 coins when I'm done with them. Okay, so we go to the tennis proof next. The next one is the rowing proof, which I have uncirculated already in the books. And we have the high jump proof. And lastly, we have the wheelchair one. So a bit of cloudiness in there. So let's take them and put them in the books. I'll have my white gloves. That's where I put them, and I have them here. Actually, I'm going to show everything before I put them in the books. So there's those right there. Alright, let's get the books up here, put them in there. Except for these two, because they don't open. I'd have to probably break it open. Maybe I don't want to do it. I'll probably damage the coins. I don't want that. Oh, here we go. The 1994, 83 to 94. Still need a lot of them. Alright. So, put my gloves on and put it back. We're back. Let's put these in the albums. So, got my gloves on. Let's do it. Get her done. Get her done. Alright. Hard to do these with one-handed. Alright, next one. This one don't get any kind of prints on them. Alright, next one. Do you need the uncirculated one for this, like I said before? And next one, I jump the page, okay. Track and field proof. Check and field proof. So put these in the correct holes so I don't have to take them out later on. Land runner next. Excuse me. Another one I need an uncirculated one for. Alright, next one. Cycling proof. Let's see. What I meant to do. I didn't scratch it. Thank God. Alright, that's it for this page, but there we go, more into the holes. So see, I need the gymnast, the track and field, and the line runner uncirculated ones to finish the 18-point set for 1995 and 96 Olympics. And I have to try to get them next paycheck if I can find them. Or if someone else has them and wants to sell them, the price is right, I'd be willing to buy it. Get in there. Alright, and that's that for that one. Another look. Alright, let's go to the next book. Put the last four in there. Alright, so this one is the high jump. You can see I already have the uncirculated high jump along with the uncirculated rowing. Saw that in the last video. Next one, we'll do the rowing. Okay, and we'll do uncirculated wheelchair. Or if you want to call it Paralympics, that's what they're known as also. And the last one, the proof Paralympics. You see what Paralympics says right there. So I heard that the braille that's there, it means spirit. So then YouTube video, so I don't know about that. Won't be able to know if I seen it or not. Last one. Alright, take that out. Don't need to put nothing in there. So need the Botanic Gardens to finish this front page. So it'll be nice. Be really nice when I have this set finished. Seeing how this set's worth about $7,000 when it's complete. I don't have the money to do it all at once. So do it bit by bit. Coin by coin. Eventually we'll have it done. Come on, get in there. You know, a lot of these are not worth a lot of money. They probably never will be. But if you enjoy the hobby, buy what you like. That's what I say. So, show these one more time before we end. So there's the Olympics again, along with that. So I'm going to end this video. Been a little long, so I hope you enjoyed it. I know I haven't said a whole lot, but please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.